Hi, I'm Tobin James. I'm the Managing Director for Tempur in the UK, and I work with our teams on promoting and selling and delivering Tempur products all across the UK and Ireland to consumers and to our many retail partners. We chose Alltruck after considering a number of suppliers because we were looking to purchase our first ever trucks that were going to go direct to consumer homes. And this was a new thing for us, so we were really looking for a partner that could help us find the right products that would continue the premium experience they would have had in our own stores, number one. And number two was actually having a nice working environment for our driving team. The majority of our deliveries for the team will be in London and South East, so they're sitting in slow-moving traffic. So we decided we wanted to introduce automatic trucks with air conditioning, with modern sat-nav. Yes, it was very important for the customer's experience, but also we wanted to improve the working environment for our team as well.
Hi, my name's Rob. I'm the home delivery planner for Tempur UK. Due to the size of some of our mattresses, the new vehicles being custom built enable our drivers to be able to load the mattresses without loading them at an angle, and they're now able to secure the mattresses on the side with the new fixings. It's made my job easier knowing that our needs and requirements are met by Alltruck.
My name's Chantel and I am the Transport Supervisor for Tempur UK. The taller bodies and the tail lifts help us with our mattress deliveries because it's easy for the guys to manoeuvre on and off the truck, obviously having a bit more space getting the mattress in, and obviously the tail lift does help them. And also with the wider vehicles, hopefully there'll be a bit more space and we can load more than we currently do. With them being automatics, the drivers will get less fatigued and the long distances won't be so daunting. And we're hoping that the customers will appreciate receiving their delivery and make it a little extra special on a Tempur branded van.
Hi, I'm Emily, Transport Manager at Tempur UK. Since being with Alltruck, all members of staff has been extremely helpful in setting up all components of our contract. The maintenance planning with Alltruck has been very detailed, helping us keep trucks on the road. What stood out to me with Alltruck is that we have been introduced to all members of the team with face-to-face meetings.
It was really important for us to buy high quality trucks, and we chose a Mercedes cab. When the new trucks were delivered, the whole team came down to show the products to us, explain what they've got, make sure that everything was good. We chose Alltruck because they were really into the detail. They really took time to understand us as a business and what we were looking for. I have to say we're very pleased that we made that decision. We're early days into our partnership with Alltruck, but I have to say the experience has been really, really positive. Really got a feeling that they've held our hand in this process. As I say, we wanted to find a partner that would reassure us, and so far so good.